Hey everyone, it's Frishta. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are in my room because I thought I would do a little bit of organization and I take you guys along for the ride. So since I have moved, I have been thinking of a new way to organize my hijabs. So I thought I'd take you through that, how I used to organize them and how I'm going to change that up. So let's jump right into it. This is my closet and this is how I currently have them organized. I have this little hanger ring thing for scarves from Ikea and I've just looped them through, but as you can see my collection has grown a lot. So what I have done is I have purchased a shoe rack holder organizer, so I'm gonna see if I can organize them in this, and hopefully this is a better system, so let's try that out. So just off the bat, they're not as wide as I'd like them to be. I don't know, let's see how it works. So this is the progress so far. As you can see, I only have 3 little pockets left, but this is just like half my hijab so far. I have a lot more to still put away, so I think I'm just gonna have to go ahead and get another one of these. Alrighty, day 2, let's get into it. So we have a second one in. So let's put the remaining ones in, which happen to be all neutral colors, so that worked out really nice. So there we have the final organized racks. I tried to color coordinate it, but obviously it's a little bit hard. I tried to do it according to like Roy G. Biv, but there's so many in between colors that this will have to do for now. I tried to fold them in a way that it wouldn't be too long, so it wouldn't kind of bunch up and wrinkle in the back. I don't know, let's see how that works. I'm pretty happy with it, to be honest. It's better than I thought it would be. My only regret is that it takes up so much space in my closet now. I think I'm just gonna have to move my coats and stuff somewhere else, and that way I have a way to move my clothes around. Alrighty, so there we had my little closet organization. I hope that helped you guys with your organization. I'm not 100% sure if I love it yet. We'll see. My main concern is that it's gonna create a lot of wrinkles in my hijab. Of course, time will tell with that. I do like how I can see that everything is color coordinated, so that way when I pick out an outfit, then I can see everything and pick a hijab accordingly. So yeah, there we go. If you guys have any organization tips, let me know. I did consider getting those like 5-tiered pant hangers and hanging it on there, but then my worry was that I wouldn't be able to see the under levels, like the colors underneath, so we'll see how this works out. I had a lot of people also tell me to fold them in drawers, Marie Kondo style, but my drawers are so deep, I feel like I would need to stack it 3 levels, but then again, I wouldn't be able to see what's at the bottom of the drawer, so this was the best solution I could think of. So let me know how you guys organize yours. As always, I'd love for you guys to subscribe, like, comment, whatever you can do to boost so you can come back and see more of my makeup and hijab stuff. If there's anything you guys want to see, as always, leave it in the comment section. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!